Hey, it's Ian, and today we have a really unique flashlight from our friends over at Farpoint. This is the 500-Lumen Rechargeable Dual Beam Flashlight. Now this has more than enough light for anything you need. Plus, it has a low mode for those times when you don't need that much light. Now I'm sure you've noticed that the housing is pretty wide. That's because this is more than just a flashlight, because at the touch of a button, this instantly transforms into a lantern. But unlike other lanterns, this one is directional, allowing you to cast light hands-free exactly where you need it. And of course, with the wide base, this will remain stable and not tip over. Now this is great to use all around the house, in the workshop, and especially hiking and camping because this is super lightweight. Plus, this is rechargeable, so you never have to replace or buy extra batteries. And with the super handy digital battery display, you'll always know how much power is left. A full charge will give you about 2 to 4 hours of use depending on which mode you're in. Now we have a really great deal for this flashlight on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and buy yours today.